Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize the notification settings on Perplexity AI, for example, to enable or to disable notifications via, I don't know, the browser you're using. Like I'm using Google Chrome to access Perplexity AI, for example, so let us guide you through this. So guys, there are two ways if you're using the web application for Perplexity AI. Let's assume you're logged in on Google Chrome. In this case, you could do this through your account settings here in Perplexity AI. To do that, make sure you're logged into your account. Click into profile icon in bottom left, navigate to all settings here, and inside your settings, navigate to the notifications tab on the left hand side. And here guys, what you want to do is, for example, scroll down and decide whether you'd like to receive, for example, these notifications here at the bottom for scheduled tasks, and so on and so forth. However guys, there are some notifications you can't customize and set from here. You will need to access them via the given web browser. So in this case here guys, if you're on Google Chrome, you may click into that symbol next to the URL address on Perplexity AI and navigate to site settings. Or alternatively on Google Chrome, click into these three dots, select settings here at the bottom. Inside your settings, navigate to privacy and security. And next, navigate to the site settings. Here what you want to do is click into Perplexity, or if you can find it, click into view all permissions and simply look for Perplexity on the next page. But as previously mentioned guys, the way I used was, for example, I clicked into this button and then site settings, and that redirected me directly here to these settings, and from there click into notifications and block them, allow them, or set it to ask on default. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.